Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and what I'm doing today, welcome to my channel. What I'm doing today is I'm going to be trying or attempting to apply this beautiful foil. Actually it is tissue paper that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I believe they have this in gold too. And this is a continuation of our black, white, and silver and gray series. It's part 3. So I am going to, I've already dabbed this. I'm using Mod Podged, the strongest one they have, which is for dishwasher. And what I'm going to do is, I already wrapped some right around the base. And I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do like a strip at a time. Just like this. Because I think that might be easier. I'm not sure. We will find out. Alright, so let's cut off. I should have cut this off already. We're just going to do a little bit at a time. Wider part down here, like so. And we're just going to bring it right up, smoothing it as we go. Sorry. Smoothing as we go, all the way up. Just like this. Ever so gently. Just like that. And just like this. Okay, let's take a look what we've got. So far, I think it's quite pretty. And I think what I am going to do is I am going to bring it over the top when I get all of them on. Okay. So let's go to the next strip. Glitter. Welcome back to the channel. So all I'm doing now is I've already mixed my resin. I've put some black diamond, pigment powder, silver pearl in it. and just some glitter flakes. Here's what it looks like. Very pretty, semi-opaque. And we are just going to now lay this, or pour it right over our vase, right here, that I have glittered. And actually the first thing I did was they put a tissue paper over it. A beautiful silver and white design. And I decided at that point I wanted to add some glitter. I wanted it shiny, shiny. And just like that. Just rub it straight down. I think will be good. So I built this little thing here, and it was for this vase. However, anytime I do a vase, I can put a cup over this, raise it up higher, whatever I want to do. It's great because it's got this plastic thing on it that I've leveled out, and when the resin, I can peel the resin off if I want to use it, depending on what it looks like. So, right now, I'm liking the resin. So I think we've got it. And guess I'm going to let you go for now, and we'll be back for the finale soon. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye now.